He collects stamps. He collects stamps.
We like pizza. We like pizza. He has a pet rabbit. He has a pet rabbit. He has a new bike. He has a new bike. He is funny. He is funny. He is happy. He is happy. He is learning French. He is learning French.
He is tall. He is tall.
He likes to draw. He likes to draw. He makes breakfast. He makes breakfast. He plays video games. He plays video games. He plays chess. He plays chess.
He plays the guitar. He plays the guitar.
He plays soccer. He plays soccer. He rides a bike. He rides a bike.
He runs in the morning. He runs in the morning.
He talks to friends. He talks to friends. He walks his dog. He walks his dog. He works hard. He works hard. He writes stories. He writes stories.
I am a student. I am a student. I am tired. I am tired.
I build sandcastles. I build sandcastles. I can swim. I can swim. I clean my room. I clean my room. I drink water. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I enjoy reading. I enjoy reading. I go hiking. I go hiking. I go to the gym. I go to the gym.
I have a book. I have a book. She learns about science. She learns about science.
I love music. I love music. I paint pictures. I paint pictures.
I play basketball. I play basketball. I see a bird. I see a bird.
I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I visit the library. I visit the library.
I want to learn. I want to learn. I watch the sunrise. I watch the sunrise. I write letters. I write letters.
It is sunny today. It is sunny today. It is cold outside. It is cold outside.
It is raining today. It is raining today.
She enjoys reading books. She enjoys reading books. She has a pencil. She has a pencil. She helps me. She helps me. She is baking cookies. She is baking cookies. She is drawing. She is drawing. She is learning to cook. She is learning to cook. She is my friend. She is my friend.
She likes ice cream. She likes ice cream. She likes to run. She likes to run.
She loves animals. She loves animals.
She plays the piano. She plays the piano.
She reads a lot. She reads a lot. She rides a scooter. She rides a scooter.
She sings well. She sings well.
She studies English. She studies English. She takes photos. She takes photos.
She visits her aunt. She visits her aunt.
She is wearing a dress. She is wearing a dress.
The cat is black. The cat is black.
They celebrate birthdays. They celebrate birthdays.
The dog is barking. The dog is barking.
They play games. They play games. The sky is blue. The sky is blue.
They are friends. They are friends.
They are playing. They are playing. They celebrate holidays. They celebrate holidays.
They dance beautifully. They dance beautifully.
They enjoy the beach. They enjoy the beach.
They go to the park. They go to the park.
They have a garden. They have a garden.
They have a picnic. They have a picnic.
They help each other. They help each other. They laugh together. They laugh together.
They listen to music. They listen to music. They make art. They make art.
They ride bikes together. They ride bikes together. They ride horses. They ride horses. They watch the stars. They watch the stars. They watch TV. They watch TV.
We are at school. We are at school.
We cook dinner. We cook dinner. We eat lunch together. We eat lunch together. We enjoy nature. We enjoy nature.
We explore new places. We explore new places.
We go shopping. We go shopping. We have a party. We have a party.
We have a test. We have a test.
We play in the snow. We play in the snow. We play outside. We play outside. We share snacks. We share snacks. We study together. We study together.
We swim in the pool. We swim in the pool. We travel by bus. We travel by bus.
We visit our grandparents. We visit our grandparents. We walk to school. We walk to school.
We watch movies. We watch movies.